Today's video is on how to dread or instant dread to look natural, like as natural as possible. I just want to update you guys a new and dope way to install dreads to look very natural as possible, like I said before. And I'll also be showing you guys different ways and different fake dread installations. Okay, first you want to pattern or pass the hair out just in sections, because I'm actually box braiding each line or box braiding it first before I go ahead to start installing. So I just want to pattern it because I want it to be on a straight line, as I want it to be neat, so that whenever I want to help her style it, everything will come out very neat. So yeah, I'm just rolling the hair in lines, patting it in lines and rolling box braiding in lines. Box braiding, you don't want to make the hair or the box braid to be so tight because of the installation, so that it will not be too painful. So you just make from the root of the hair, just box braid it very light, not tight, just very loose, not very loose, but in between loose and tight. And so yeah, I'm also box braiding it this way because of the thickness of the fake dread extension. So I'm doing this small sizes box braid. This is because of the extension I'm going to install. So yeah, we'll just do this same size all over her head, but I kind of added little hairs in front just so that it will not be too full. So we'll go ahead to do the box braid all over her head, just in lines like so. So yeah, hi everyone, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you all are doing
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
like before the installation of the fake dread. And like you can see, she do have long hair, so I'm going to be folding the hair while I'm installing the fake dread. So we'll also show you guys how I'm going to do that, just so that you know, also that you have an idea. Okay, before I start installing, I'm just using the rubber band to just pack the hair into a bun or a pony, leaving out the back side, a particular line, like a straight line at the back, because that's where I'm going to be starting the install. I said before, we advise you to carefully watch the video from beginning to the end, so that you understand what I'm doing. And do not forget to share the video to friends and family as well. Hello people, have you heard of Q-Rank? Q-Rank is a brand specialized in dreadlock fiber. This fiber is visible in Expression dreadlock products, as the Q-Rank fiber is used in making products such as Expression Goddess locks, Expression Reggae mask, Expression Mentor, and Expression Jamaican locks. Q-Rank fiber promotes your passion and freedom for styling. It has natural texture like an original African hair texture. Q-Rank gives you various styles, as you can see in Expression dreadlock products. It is a quick, reggae, and easy to wear hair. Today I'll be styling the Expression Goddess locks. I love the product. I love this product so much because it's very lightweight, beautiful, and trendy. It is different from every other dreadlocks product you get to see in the market. It is visible in 2 tones colors, like color 1/27 and color 1/30, and even a plain black color. For this style, I'm using just 2 packs of the product, and you can as well use only 1 pack, but I just decided to use 2 packs because I did not want it to be too full. I don't want it to be too scanty. So yeah, that's why I'm using 2 packs, complete 2 packs of it. So in a pack you get about 2 bundles, and each bundles you get about 30 pieces of the gorgeous locks, and the cost price in the market is less than 2,000 naira, so it's really affordable. For the back installation, we just take a single dread, measure the length, and make sure that the both are equal. So I'm just going to measure it into 2, like, and make sure that the both lengths are equal. Then I use scissors to just cut the dread into 2, and take a single length of the dread to just open it up, or just to open the tips up to almost like halfway the dread length. Then still use a scissors to trim or cut off the part of the opened dread. We'll just cut it off and keep it one side, just in case I kind of need an extra dread when I'm trying to install it. Anyway, you guys get to see that. Now for proper installation, we'll first of all fold her hair, because her hair is actually long. So we'll fold it into like just fold it, and then I'm folding it this way. So after that, we'll just attach the dread from where I splitted the dread, or the extension. Will attach it there from there, and then take the extra opened part and just start threading it. Continue threading it to the tip, but if it's not enough, we'll still take from the other one I actually cut out. So we take from there and then continue to thread down. Use a thread just to secure it more, and I'm using just 1 strand of thread, and then I'm just rolling it around the hair, and then after that we'll go ahead to tie a knot and cut off the excess, including the excess dread, and voila, that's it. So easy to install. I'm going to do this, I'm going to repeat it more than once. I will repeat it about 3 times so that you guys will get to see and understand what I'm doing perfectly well. After installation, I asked my client, she was like, the hair is so lightweight and very easy to style. The most important thing is, after installing, the hair was now looking natural, as if the dread was actually coming out from her scalp. So I love it. I love this dread. It's really cool, easy to style. Like I said before, hair is lightweight and easy to style. The most important is the outcome of the hair after installation. It looks so natural, guys. Texture actually feels like real dreads. Like when you try to pull it, it feels so much like real dreads. So trust me, in case we are thinking of, switching it up this Christmas or this Ember month, I will advise you to try dreads. Just try, get a different look, and trust me, you'll thank me later. So yeah, like I said before, I'll be doing different dreads. For this Ember month, I'll be showing you guys different ways to style dreads and how to install it. You can install the hair more than once or twice or even 3 times, just to save costs.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
to all over her hair. And if you notice, the hair is not very thick from the bottom. Is because I actually threaded it first from the down before I start folding her hair, just so that the hair will not be too thicker than the tip of the hair. Hope you get it. So once I'm done, we'll just go ahead to style her hair, add styling modes to her hair, and arrange her edges. Use edge control. So yeah, here's the final look. Thank you so much for always watching anytime I upload a new video. Hope it's helpful and hope you're able to learn something new from this video. If you did, just go ahead to give the video a big thumbs up, share the video to friends and family, subscribe if you haven't. If you are new here, go ahead to subscribe. So I would like to see your comments or what you want to see up next on this channel. We'll talk to you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.